Today I'm going to talk about push-to-connect fittings. Push-to-connect fittings have found wide acceptance in most industries because of the ease of connection and disconnection. They're especially convenient when working on a prototype design because of this feature. This type of fitting may be called by several different names depending on the manufacturer. The common feature is that the tubing or hose can be removed from the fitting by pushing on the collar for occasional disconnection. Push-to-connect fittings are typically used with higher diameter 90 polyurethane, polyethylene, Teflon, and PEEK tubing. To install the tubing into the connector, simply push the tubing into the fitting far enough for the collet teeth to bite into the outside diameter of the tubing. The tubing is held into place by the collet and the internal radial O-ring, which seals on the outside diameter of the tubing. To remove the tubing from the fitting, all you need to do is depress the collar and then slide the tubing out of the fitting. Depressing the collar allows the fingers on the collet to spread, allowing the tubing to easily slide out. Push-to-connect fittings are ideal for occasional connections and disconnections. When you're making numerous connections, you should consider using our quick disconnect designs. See our push-to-connect options on our website for further details.